welcome to back to Makayla's Playground. Today we're doing a TikTok DIY Play-Doh making stuff, and I'm back with my mommy today.
Hi everyone.
Let's get started.
Okay, so it's 3 ingredients. So it's flour, salt, and water, and then we have food coloring to mix to make all different colored Play-Doh. And then I have some cookie cutters that I thought we'd try because I have a feeling this might be a different consistency than regular Play-Doh. So let me give you the. So we're gonna do 1 cup of flour.
That's a lot.
It is a lot, right?
Get in there. Whoop. Whoop.
Half a cup of salt.
Half a cup of salt. Can I do it? It looks like sprinkles.
Yeah, just don't try to eat this. Okay, so salt.
Now we eat.
Yeah. And,
now we eat.
yeah. And then a half a cup of water.
I have a cup of water.
Okay. So, if you guys have seen our videos, you know that me and Makayla have a tendency to mess up on most of these, so we'll see how this turns out.
Now we stir.
Now let's stir.
Ooh, I'm trying.
Is it getting hard?
Wait, let me smell. Oh, yuck.
What does it smell like?
Rotten egg.
Let me see. No, it tastes like dough. Yeah.
I think you have to mix it for a while, and you have to.
Should we put a little bit more water? See if that helps. While you're taking a nap, can you give me my phone to make sure I read the ingredients right? Let's see.
You did.
I did? Because it's not coming together. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see.
Hold on. We have to mix it into a big.
Let's see what happens. It's really sticky.
Can I try?
Yeah, but it's not. See, we're supposed to try to get it to come. So let's do this. Let's mix it up a little bit more, and then we'll try to make it into a big ball of Play-Doh. And then we'll break off the pieces to do the colors.
I'm gonna dream about lambs. So good night, everyone.
About lambs?
Yeah, I'm gonna dream about 1, 2.
Oh, you're gonna count sheep?
I'm gonna count some sheep.
Okay. Good night.
I was trying to eat it. Hey!
Oh.
Wait, I don't have enough on my nose. Let me try it again.
Working hard in the kitchen, huh? So let's do this. Actually, I'm gonna put some flour here too, because I feel like we're cooking. Okay, so let's do that. And so, is this super sticky? It is, huh? So let's put more flour.
Is it sticky?
Yeah, it's super sticky.
Oh.
It's like gross sticky. Hold on. Okay.
Mommy, let's get messy. Ready to help us get messy?
It is messy. Oh no, what are you planning? Oh no. Ah, no! Don't put it in my mouth. Okay. Okay, so I think we got it. So that gives you this much Play-Doh. So obviously if you want more, you just double it. It's way less sticky now that we added a lot of flour. So what we're gonna do, do you wanna make rainbow colors?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so let's pick apart little pieces.
First we get.
Okay.
We can get even a lot of smell edition.
Smell edition.
Smell edition. Boo, Dad jokes, boo!
Sorry if the last couple of videos are crooked. It's just things move around.
From somebody
that moves around too much, that dances, that shakes the table. Okay, you got it? Okay, now let's put on gloves. Let's put these on. I'm gonna help you. You got it? Okay. We don't want to test this out without gloves and see what happens. Okay, so what we
I'm just gonna create a.
Yeah, so we're gonna create. So what you have to, what it says is to create a hole in the middle, and that's where you put the food coloring and knead in the food coloring to change it to that color. So can I try one while you do one? So I'm gonna
try yellow.
Okay, I'm gonna do blue. I don't know how many to use though. It doesn't say. Three?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Thank you. For paying attention, Makayla. Okay, so then we're gonna knead in. So we're gonna do this until it is all blue. So you know what's interesting, Makayla, is I don't think I've ever made Play-Doh at home before. I think this is my first time too. So uninteresting. Do you know that? It's my first time making Play-Doh too. Do you care?
Yeah, right.
It is. I've never done this before. Don't you think if I did, I would know what I'm doing over here? Hey.
What?
Someone's gonna have food coloring on her hands in the next few videos. Okay, guys? So if you do not have Play-Doh at home, but you have these ingredients, this would be a great idea to do. So you don't have to run to the store.
Yeah, because there's germs.
Yeah.
I wish we can hug each other, but I think the germs are away on May 15th, I think.
I hope so. So far we are blue, yellow, green, red. So you're gonna make what color, Makayla?
Purple.
Purple. Can I make orange?
Sure.
Mad scientist. Are you sure you don't want gray?
I want purple. I want purple.
Okay. I think we need to add more red.
I know our hands.
Mommy needs to take a look at the color wheel. Figure out how to mix colors. So the reason it gets sticky and then it gets better like that afterwards is because we're adding the liquid, right? We're adding the food coloring back to it, so it makes it sticky again. But once we get it nice and stuck into the dough, it starts getting soft. Okay.
You'll never know until you give it a go. That's a kind of a purple. Look at Mommy. Mine is turning out well.
It is turning out well. Welcome.
Look at.
Good job. Here. So you would like some rainbow. So it'll show us a couple creations. Okay, so does it work like regular Play-Doh? Let's see. Except regular Play-Doh obviously doesn't stain your hands. So
it doesn't do it that much.
Yeah. But would this, let's say there's no Play-Doh in the house, there's no Play-Doh left at the stores, and we have no choice but to make it at home. What do you think about this? Would you like it?
I'm being a little cranky today.
No, you're fine. All you kids are doing great in a hard time.
Oh
Good?
my gosh, this is so sticky.
I know. So, if you guys don't mind dirty hands. Okay, I lost the purple underneath the pink, but we made a little rainbow.
Mix it in.
Now mix it in. It's gonna turn brown, right? All the colors?
I don't think so. Look it.
Oh.
What?
Wow!
That was.
I didn't know that. You taught me something. Good job. That's pretty cool. It looks like tie-dye Play-Doh. That's cool.
Bye guys. I hope you enjoyed my channel. If you want to watch another Play-Doh DIY Makayla video, touch here. If you want to watch the second one, please click the bell button right here. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell right here. And if you have to give a big thumbs up.
Thank you guys for watching. We'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe and like. Thank you.
And stay out there too. And get a snake.
Ah! It looks like a snake.
And get some.
Don't forget to wear gloves.
And get some Play-Doh hands. Wow.